Several cash advance apps don't rely on traditional credit score checks when reviewing advance requests. Instead, they usually look at factors like your banking history, income activity, or account behavior to decide whether you qualify. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 cash advance apps that generally don't require a traditional credit score check and what to expect before applying. First is Earnin. Earnin lets eligible users access part of the money they've already earned before payday. Rather than using a traditional credit score, the app verifies qualifying employment and income information. Keeping your connected bank account active and your income information up to date helps the approval process. Next is Indeve. Dave offers small cash advances for eligible users based on account history and other financial data instead of a conventional credit inquiry. After connecting a supported bank account, the app reviews your activity to determine available advance amounts. Third is Bridget. Bridget analyzes your linked checking account to determine eligibility for cash advances. The service focuses on account activity and financial patterns rather than pulling a traditional credit score. Maintaining consistent deposits and avoiding frequent overdrafts may improve your eligibility over time. The fourth app is Manilian. Eligible users can request cash advances through the app after linking their accounts and meeting the platform's requirements. Instead of evaluating a traditional credit score, Moneyline considers information related to your banking and account activity. Completing your profile accurately helps the app review your eligibility. Finally, there's Empower. Empower also provides cash advances to qualifying users without relying on a standard credit score check. After connecting your bank account, the app reviews your financial activity to determine whether you qualify and how much may be available. One thing to remember is that no credit score check does not mean guaranteed approval. Every app has its own eligibility requirements, and most still verify income, account history, or banking activity before approving an advance. These services are designed for short-term cash flow needs, not long-term borrowing. To sum it up, Earnin, Dave, Bridget, Moneyline, and Empower generally evaluate your banking and income information instead of using a traditional credit score check. Each app has different qualification standards, so approval can vary from one person to another. Before requesting an advance, connect your primary bank account, review the repayment terms, and only borrow what you know you can repay on schedule. If this comparison helped you understand your options, like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of cash advance apps and personal finance tools.